Hey, this is Sasha, and today I want to share with you how to create a business plan around your YouTube channel. Now, for many people, they look at a YouTube channel and they think, okay, this is my business. YouTube is my business. And that's not necessarily the way you should be looking at it. YouTube itself is a platform to help you within your business, but you have to build a business around YouTube or around that platform. And there's a lot of people that are very successful in various platforms. Nowadays, we have a lot of platforms from Facebook to Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. There's a lot of different platforms, and you can build a whole business just around one single platform, especially if you dominate that platform within your industry or category. But you have to build a business around it and not just use that one platform as your business. Now, yes, it can fuel those things and fuel your business, but you have to build things around it, because the problem is if you use that as a full backbone and that is your business, that is your whole business, if things go sour, if YouTube doesn't exist anymore, then all of a sudden what's going to happen to your business? Think about what happened to MySpace, how things changed so quickly and very rapidly. Users merged over to Facebook, and then the users merged over to Twitter for other things, and now MySpace is gone. Look at Yahoo. What happened to Yahoo? When Yahoo was huge, Google came out, and again, these things start shifting and changing in the technology space. So you have to be mindful that you're creating your own business, and if you have a solid business strategy and you're creating a business plan around that, then that's fine and dandy. But if you're not, and you're using the platform, YouTube itself, as your business, that can be very dangerous. So let's break this down and let's look at how we can create a business around YouTube rather than just using YouTube as our business. All right, let's first talk about making money, because this is really where everybody wants to start out with. In the online space, there's a few ways to make money. So the first way is to sell your product. Okay, you could sell, number two, sell other products or someone else's product or service. This would be an affiliate. Okay. And the third way is really sponsorships or getting clicks, right? So this is also kind of sponsorship. So you're getting it through viewerships. So as you have viewership, this is the other way that you are able to gain and make money, especially from your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel, more so, what you're going to do is get sponsorships and clicks. Now, some people, they have affiliate products because they pump or promote certain products, and they say, hey, if you liked my review of this product, click this link below, like an Amazon link right down below. And in that case, they get a commission or a percentage of that sale. And then other people may have their own product, which has the highest margin return for when you make a sale. But these are the three ways that you can make money on YouTube, or at least through YouTube. So these are the main three ways that you can make money on YouTube. Now, for many people, when they have a YouTube channel and that's their main thing, that's all they do is really they vlog or they just put up daily vlogs, all they're really looking for is sponsorships to get money from YouTube as sponsorships for viewerships. Now, this is the lowest form or payout that you have. Actually, in fact, as you continue moving higher, the highest form or payout is selling your own product because you have the largest margin. So if you're just doing sponsorships, that's fine, but you don't have a business around those things. You just have a basic viewership, and even if you have a high viewership rate, it might be fantastic, you might make a lot of money, but it's not a way to consistently make money. Let's just say if you're in the top 10% of YouTubers or top percent of people with viewership, yeah, you might be making a lot of money and you might be doing great on the sponsorships, but if anything happens with that algorithm, you lose your channel, you got hacked, whatever the problem may be, this could create a big problem to your business because you're resting everything on one single pillar. So what you want to do in your business is put up multiple pillars. So you have sponsorships, you're selling other products, you're selling your products, and you create a multi-pillar structure so that way if any one thing collapses, you're still able to sustain through the storms. So here, if we're looking at a structure, and let's just say it's kind of like a Parthenon or a pyramid structure, whatever it is, it's a tabletop Think of it as legs. So here, what you want to do is really build out different kinds of legs. So this might be your YouTube leg right there. And what you also want to do, this would be your sponsorship leg. Okay, what you want to do is create other sponsorships. So sponsorships maybe through your podcast. Okay, so if you have a podcast, that also creates another little leg. Okay, then you create another little leg or pillar, okay, that could be about selling other products. So people that do reviews, right there, they're getting money or commission for the affiliate sales right here by doing the reviews. So this is another leg. Now you could do this part from your blog, or you could do it from your podcast. It's just a distribution channel. But you continue to add on these things, so then you have your own product. Okay, so that would be kind of the next stage or the next step. So you continue building these things out and creating more and more pillars. So instead of just having one product, you may have a second product. So this could be product number 2 or 3 or 4. So you're doing this on multiple fronts. So you have a structure here on just products, okay? So you have products and you have multiple legs for the product side, okay? You might have distribution channels, just like YouTube, right? So you do that also on multiple fronts. So this would be, let's say, your YouTube, but then you also have your Twitter account, okay, or Twitter, whatever it is. You have a podcast, which is a distribution channel. You might even have your own blog. So again, all these are just distribution channels. So you have between your products, distribution channels, and then you got your sponsorship. So again, you're building structures all in place that if any one of these, if let's say this product 1 or 2 or 3 is a failure, even if 2 of these, you still have 2 products. If you have YouTube that goes down, you still have a following on Twitter and your podcast and your blog. You know, so that's ultimately what you're doing. And the same thing with your income. So if you're getting income from, let's say, books, YouTube, you're getting income from affiliates, from sponsorships on podcasts, whatever it is. If any one of these or 2 of these go down, you're not sacrificing your other income. And that's how you build a business around YouTube. That's how you build a business around YouTube, that everything is sustaining upon the next stage and the next stage, because it's all building upon your core. Okay, so this is your core business, okay, and you're building more rings around your income, and you continue to grow those rings. So as one channel might be your sponsorships, then your income continues to grow, then your income again continues to grow, and it continues to grow, and you continue to expand those channels. Now you might start with YouTube, and that's perfectly okay, but then you add in a podcast, which allows you to distribute more products, more affiliates, more sponsorships, more viewers. Then you might get into a blog and you say, okay, I'll put my podcast and my YouTubes within a blog. So all these things continue to grow. And then you get speaking engagements or whatever it is, other things that you might end up doing. So you continue to grow and expand those things simply from this core of a business, from starting out with YouTube and expanding things outward. Now, this isn't a full business plan for your YouTube channel, but it's just to show you how the business plan around a YouTube channel really works. That when you have the core of, let's just say, YouTube right there at the core, and you're building your business around YouTube, so now you have a podcast. So now you have a book that you wrote, okay? Now you have a blog, okay? You have now a video course or something else that's building around your business. The next thing is you do, let's say, coaching. So you're doing a lot of things, email list, okay? So all these things are building, and that's how you get to building a business around YouTube and using it as a backbone and a structure, because you're creating all these different things to really work within your business. And you know, some people have ultimate success with YouTube, and that's great for many people. Sometimes it works out, your videos go viral. But if you want a systematic approach, this is how you do it. Because if you have, let's say, 500 people, you know, and they're the ones that are following you, and they're getting your coaching programs, and they're getting on your email list, and they're buying your book, you know, you can have one customer that'll buy your book, your coaching program, your video course, and that's really 3 times the sale. That's really 3 to 4 times the leverage over just getting viewerships and sponsorships. And of course, you could do sponsors over here, and there's nothing wrong with that. But keep in mind, creating multiple legs to that circle, building a business around YouTube is much more powerful than just focusing on just sponsors and viewerships. So look at what is it that you can offer. What can you sell? Because there's those 3 ways to make money in any online business. And one is to sell your products, right? So you have your own products, sell someone else's products, and then you have the third is the sponsors or the sponsorships or the clicks. So those are the 3 ways. And which ones can you build out? The slowest one to build out is the building your own products. The affiliates is also a little more difficult, and the viewerships, you know. So it really just comes down to which one you have an edge in, and then use that and continue to grow it and expand on it. So thanks for joining me in this video. I hope that you really start seeing the bigger picture behind creating a business around YouTube, rather than just using YouTube and looking at sponsorship and making some side income. Side income is great. It allows you to get the ball rolling, but that's what allows you to take that ball and turn it into a business. Take it to the next step, take it to the next stage, and continue to evolve it up until the point where you're satisfied and enjoying your life. So in either case, thanks for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more business training and money-making videos like this, click this thumbnail and you'll continue watching some of the other trainings that I have. But if you want to get on my newsletter list where I share some exclusive content, then click the link right over here on this side and then enter your name and email address when you get there. In the end, remember, do what you love, contribute to others, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.